Still after. So our group 3 topic will be capacity building and awareness announcement. Our team has been discussed with regard to the capacity building in different angles and come to the some conclusions. And the conclusions are like this. The capacity building for any success or failure is based on the capacity building. For anything and everything, the capacity building is a must. You take any example, you take for a food, the plate is needed for the base. So like that, any scheme, it requires the capacity building. So until it supports the capacity building, the scheme will not be successful. For that reason, for any item of the work, even if you go for event manager, there should be a capacity building. If you go for any other aspects of the business, it give a capacity building. In these days, nowadays, the capacity building is one of the major tasks in the coming years. So you know that the constraints have already been identified with the different districts. They almost all the 4 districts have the same constraints. The water scarcity, labor scarcity, monoculture, so on and so forth, they have been listed. The constraints have been listed. According to this, the constraints has to be intervened with the different the faculty or the specialist. To address this constraint, the stakeholders are SCUs, KVKs, agriculture and other line departments, NGOs and cooperatives, farmers facilitators, farmers and landless farmers. Up to this day, we have not addressed the landless farmers. Just this scheme is the overall income of the farmers. The income will be groups for landless farmers also, not only for the farmers. The capacity building has to be done with the stakeholders, according to the stakeholders. At the state level, with all the stakeholders in terms of awareness of the existing constraints. You already listed the constraints. According to that, the awareness has to be created. That awareness of the improved production technologies, awareness of the precise use of natural resources and external input, awareness of the post-harvest technologies and marketing technologies, and development of small entrepreneurships. On these grounds, it has to be at the top level, the master trainers has to be trained early to the training. Here the master training trainers are 2 days training we have been sufficient, we have what the group has been told, and that should be completed in the March end. The timeline also has been decided. From master trainers, 2 to 3 persons from each disciplines, suppose agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry and allied departments, including the marketing and corporations and all line departments, and the SAS and KVKs, agriculture, JDA, DDA, DATC, ADSMS and ADA, and district level officers from other line department. All the line department has to be trained at the state level. These are the master trainers. Then at the block level, the 3 days training, that should be completed in the mid of April. Here the stakeholders are agriculture and allied field level officers, farmers facilitators. Next at the village level training, these the farm facilitators and the agriculture and allied level officers at the block level, they should train the village level training also for the farmers. So these are the topics which have been assigned. According to that, we have been decided.